So today, I'm taking a quick look at the BIBUFF GT600 electric dirt bike. And the big question is simple. Is it actually worth your money? Right off the bat, this thing looks more like a lightweight electric motorcycle than your typical e-bike. You're getting a $7,500 peak motor, a claimed top speed of around 80 km/h, and a big 72 V30H removable battery. On paper, that's serious power for the price range. Now, in real-world use, this bike is clearly built for off-road riding. Gravel, dirt trails, even some steep climbs. It handles that stuff pretty confidently thanks to the hydraulic suspension and chunky 90 and 17-inch tires. The ride feels stable, and the instant torque is honestly the most fun part. But here's the reality check. Range and performance depend heavily on how hard you ride it. If you're constantly in high-power mode, don't expect those maximum range claims. Like most bikes in this category, the advertised numbers are best-case scenario. Build-wise, it feels solid with a one-piece frame and decent components, but it's still very much a budget performance machine, not a premium brand. So overall, if you want raw power and off-road fun on a budget, it's interesting. But if you want flawless specs and long-term reliability, you may want to think twice.